So I would like to wish a very, very successful 9th General Assembly of the Nepal Automobile Association today. You are a member for many, many years from the FIM, the International Motorcycle Federation, and I know you take care of motorsports, you take care of riding, you take care of tourism, you take care of road safety, and you are a very active federation. The Nasanepal is one of the most important federations that we have because you are really, really active and dynamic, and I want you to keep like that. I hope that your General Assembly goes very well, that you elect the right members, and for the next period, for the next term, you'd be as active as you have been until now. Thank you, and please have a very, very successful General Assembly. Thank you.